Hi friends, welcome back to another story. This one is Bear Snores On by Carmen Wilson, Jane Chapman. The bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a gray-brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, Peter Pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The cold peep pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And the hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," say Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, we slurps, Hare burps, big burbs. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor when a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Twitters wren, and everybody clatters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear growls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You have snuck in my lair and you are all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see? We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he signs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun picks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friend snores on.